Today, I'm going to cook a baked macaroni. This baked macaroni is very simple and the ingredients is only what you have in your fridge. Please join with me and thank you for watching. Hope you will like this recipe. You have these ingredients: 500 grams of macaroni. You boiled it, a cup of parsley, few green onions, green pepper, carrots, 1 cup of minced chicken, and 1 stalk of celery, onion, 1 onion, and garlic. And I have here 1 cup of cream. Use the Nestle cream. And this one is I prepare sauce. This one is I will use mozzarella cheese. Okay, these are the ingredients for my baked macaroni. Join with me. Butter, put the garlic, add the onion, ground chicken, 1 cup of ground chicken, celery stalk, add the carrots, add our tomato sauce, our homemade tomato sauce. Leave for like 3 minutes until the is cooked. We'll add our cream. We'll add the bell pepper. Now we have to check the salt if enough. Add little tomato paste to give you a nice color. First, we have to put little butter in a baking pan so that it will not stick. And we have to preheat our oven to 350. Okay, now we will put our macaroni. Just put evenly. And I am using mozzarella cheese. So you can see that one. And now we will put mozzarella cheese. I'm using this mozzarella cheese. And put another layer. Now you have to flatten your macaroni. Put a little garnish of green onion. And it's also of parsley. It's ready to bake. And this one is ready to bake. Now we will bake our macaroni. Now we will make baked macaroni in this cup. This macaroni we make before. Between we will put mozzarella cheese, then put again the macaroni. Sprinkle with tomato and little onion. Anything you want to put topping, and then maybe 2 or 3 parsley, mozzarella, sorry. We will do again the same procedure. Others, cheese. We make this 4 bake. We will bake this macaroni. This we can give this one as a fancy for our children who don't like to eat. Like my children, they want fancy thingy. Okay, that we will bake this and broiled. Let's close it. We will wait. We will wait. See, this is now our macaroni. Now we will broil this to make it look brown. We bake it. After we broiled for 2 minutes, it's already look like this. Now it's ready to eat. Now we will cut this. You can see. Okay. Five minutes later, you can see how it's coming. Now we will broil. What a nice color. Looks so yummy and tasty. After we bake and broil the macaroni, it looks like this.